Everyone, in the previous lecture we have seen basics of files, introduction to files, types of files, ASCII files and binary file. Now today we will see the next operation or the next topic, that is nothing but which are the operations that can be done on file, which are the access modes that should be operated on file. So we will see the first one, operations on file: open, read, write, close, delete and rename. So these are the basic operations on file. We will see one by one by looking into the examples. Next one, file access mode. These are the three basic access modes for file: read, write and append. So R stands for read the file, only the file it should be read. First of all the file should be created, then and then it can be read. R plus stands for read the file as well as write into the file, previously created file. The condition is that file should be created previously. RB stands for read the data from the binary file, and RB plus stands for read and write the data into the binary file or from the binary file. The main condition for read operation is that file should be created previously. The second operation that can be done is nothing but write operation. Again, four subtypes: W, W plus, WB, WB plus. W stands for write the data into the file. The file can be previously created or newly created file will also be created, and directly write operation will be performed on that also. Next one, W plus. W plus stands for write and read the data in the previously created or newly created file. WB, write the data into binary file. WB plus, write the data from previously or newly created binary file. Append. All of you know the meaning of append function. Append stands for what we can say the basic function of, or what the basic purpose of append is that you have to place another data in the front of previous one. That is nothing but append. Suppose you have created a file, you have written some data into it, and suppose you have to add some more data in that file, then you will use append function. So A and A plus, A will be the read and append the data into the file. A plus will also be the append the data, but the basic difference between A and A plus will be A will be only append and A plus will read and append in the text file. And AB plus, AB will stand for read the append the data in the binary file. AB plus read and append the data in the binary file. So these are nothing but basic file access modes. Next one, yes, by using objects also we can access a file, means using objects only files can be accessed. Without a file object or without a file pointer we cannot access a single file. So these are also simply the mode. So file obj.closed. So file obj.closed will return true if the file is closed. File obj.mode will return in which mode the file is open. File obj.name, it will return the name of a file. So file pointer is nothing but a file object. The file pointer will points to first character of any file. Next one, which are the operations that can be performed. So write operation is there. So write method or operation is used to write a string to already open file. Okay, so you can also create a new file. Okay, so write returns number of characters to be write into the file, and it does not add new line character. Syntax for write method: file pointer dot write and the string that you want to write into that file. So which are the example? F is equals to open file1.txt w. So what is the meaning of this syntax? The first line of this program, F is nothing but file pointer. You have to first of all open a file. So before write method I will clear two concepts, open and close. Open will be the open method is nothing but to open a file, and close method is nothing but after performing the operation close the file. Before operating any file, the file should be open, and hence here first of all the file is open, and hence the first line of syntax is that open which file that you have to open. For example, file1.txt, in which mode you have to open it, into the write mode. We have seen the modes: read, write, append. Okay, yes. So as here is the W, means only write mode is there. Here it is not W plus, here it is not WB or WB plus. So by default W will open text file in write mode. Next one, yes. So we have to implement write operation in it. So F dot write the string that you have to write into the file. Next one, again F dot write, keep learning, and finally after writing all the sentences, all the strings into the file, close the file. It is very important to close the file. F dot close, and just print the data so that on the console, so that you will know, or you will understood that exactly the operations are done or not. These file operations cannot be print the data or cannot print the output on the console. They only just copy the data into the files, they just write the data into the files. So we cannot, the user cannot know, or user is not what we can say aware that what is going on by the file operations. And to aware the user, to know the user exactly what is going in the backend, just put the messages or output statement on the console by using the print method or by using the print function. Okay, so very simple one, the write method. The next one is nothing but write lines method. So what is write lines method? Write method will write a single line. Write lines will write multiple lines or multiple strings or a list of strings to the file. So write lines method does not add new line character. Okay, we will see what do you mean by adding the new line character in the next one. So again open a file, the file 1, which lines you have to put into that file: hello world, welcome to the world of Python, keep learning. Okay, and directly use write lines function, and the list that you want to enter, that should be put as a parameter to this method. Finally close the file and just print the message on the console that lines are written to the file. Okay, so this is nothing but this is very simple method in which write lines are used. So if you see, instead of using write line, suppose I have to use write method, then in that case I have to use 3 separate write methods. So for example, F dot write hello world, on the new line F dot write welcome to the world of Python, on the next line F dot write keep learning. Okay, and after each and every F dot write, all three lines should be written, or all three lines should be written into the file, and finally F dot close should be there. Okay, so instead of writing such n number of lines by using write method, just use write lines and copy all the, or put all the strings that you want to into that particular file. Next one, append method. So append method, to append data, always open file in A or AB mode to add more data into the existing file. Syntax: file object open file name comma A. Okay, so for append function, the file should be created previously by default. You cannot use newly created file for append function. Okay, so F is equals to open, example is there, F is equals to open. First of all, open a file, then write the data into it, close the file. Okay, but in which mode the data is open, in which mode the file is open? In append mode. Here is A, means by default text file is open. Next one, loop on a file. Okay, loop on a file means, suppose we want to enter multiple lines, or we want to enter we want to display multiple lines from a file. So instead of using that particular single functions, we will use loop. Okay, so this is a efficient way to display a file, and so that each and every time the file object will be continuously rotated throughout the file. Okay, line by line. It is probably very fast and simple way to display the whole file content. So example, F is equals to open file1.txt in read mode by default, because we don't want to do write and we don't want to do append. We have to just read the data from the file, and hence R. In the read mode it should be open. So for line in F, this is very important. So we have to open the file in read mode on the new line for the line in file pointer or in the file. So the file pointer basically points the characters present in a file, and hence how that particular file pointer is used in the for loop, it will be used as a pointer to the file by default. So for line in that file pointer, print the line, okay, and finally f dot close. So here f dot close should be outside the for loop, okay. Yes, next one, you can open the file by using with keyword. So it is a good programming habit to use the with keyword when working with the file object. So by using with keyword, the with keyword automatically closes the file. That is the main importance of with. So if you are not using with keyword, then you have to manually close the file by using f dot close. But if you are going to use with, then by default you cannot be, it is not mandatory to write close operation of a file. It will automatically close the file. For example, with open file in RB means read in binary, binary file should be read as F. Next one, see what is the syntax. The complete syntax is with open file name comma mode as F. On the new line, for line in F, for each and every line in F, print the line, and on the new line print the status of a file, whether it is closed or not, okay. So to check the status of a file, if it is file, you will use file pointer, or you will, yes, you will use file pointer file dot closed. So file dot closed, what it will indicate, file dot close, if file is closed it will return true, if file is open it will return false, okay. So these are the basic points of a file topic or file unit, that these topics are nothing but which operations are there on a file, which are the access modes on a file, write method, write lines method. Similarly read and read line methods are also there. Read method is there, so the PPT is not there in this particular one. Read method, just listen, read method is nothing but it will read a single line from a file, and read lines will read multiple lines, okay. Next one, for loop in the file and with keyword in the file. In the next lecture, in the next video lecture, we will see the next topic, okay. Bye.